Now, your WLKY weather with Chief Meteorologist Jay Cardosi.
Okay, here it is, Groundhog Day. Not sure you heard, but yes, Phil, bright and early this morning, did indeed see his shadow. So old Punxsutawney Phil is forecasting another 6 weeks of winter, and by the end of that 6-week period, boy, we're going to be very close to the first day of spring, which is 46 days away, March 20th. Can't wait for that. Look at the average high on March 20th, 60 degrees, an average low of 40. Wouldn't that feel great? My goodness. Well, a little more wintry weather is on the way as we move through tomorrow afternoon. We have a winter weather advisory for the anticipation of some light accumulating snow from near Louisville and points off to the north and also the northeast, again for tomorrow afternoon. The system I'm watching is up here in the Dakotas, western portions of Minnesota. It's not a strong system. It's moving very, very quickly. It doesn't have a lot of moisture to work with. That's why we're not expecting a lot of snowfall. But again, some accumulations look to be a pretty good bet tomorrow afternoon. That jet stream energy will continue to ride its way off to the east-southeast, and that's what's going to bring us that light snow chance. So here we are tomorrow morning. We're just fine. Matter of fact, we're fine tonight through tomorrow morning. Your Tuesday morning commute, no problems anticipated, just kind of cloudy and chilly. Middle of the day, notice we've got a band of snow taking shape in our northern communities. And as that energy approaches, I think this precip will tend to expand across the region with snow likely the northern 2/3 of the viewing area, including the metro. Could there be a little light rain mixed in maybe at the start, but basically this looks to be mostly snow for Louisville and points north. The farther south you go, that atmospheric column will be a little bit warmer, so supporting more in the way of rain for several hours tomorrow afternoon. Then as the entire system continues to move rapidly off to the east-southeast, the metro already getting out of it by 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and it's pretty much out of the viewing area by dinner time tomorrow night or shortly thereafter, 6, 7, 8 o'clock. So a quick hitter in and out in a very short amount of time. Having said that, yeah, we're expecting some light accumulations. Basically, the northern 2/3 of the viewing area, a dusting to less than an inch around the metro, down to near Hardinsburg, E-Town, Bardstown, and just off to the north and northeast of the metro. A little better chance for a couple of inches of snow, 1 to 3 to be exact, in our north and northeastern communities. So watch out for that. And yes, there could be a few slick spots while that snow is coming down. But here's some good news. Temperatures tomorrow expected to be above freezing, again, like they were today. First time in 11 days it's been above freezing. Again, I think we'll do it tomorrow, so as a result, I'm not expecting a huge ice up on those roadways. Bottom line, impact weather tomorrow, most notably in the afternoon. For areas of light snow, a little bit of light rain. Yeah, some light accumulations look to be a pretty good bet. Mainly wet roadways, especially in the metro, though. But watch out for a couple of slick spots, especially north and northeast, where that snow may accumulate a little more so. Outside right now, it's 34 degrees, cloudy skies, a west-southwesterly wind in here, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here's the forecast for this evening. Mostly cloudy, not as cold. Temperatures a little bit later on, a mix of upper 20s and low 30s. As we look through tomorrow, here comes that impact weather with a little bit of light snow and some light rain. That light rain poised to be south of the metro. Temperatures, though, middle and upper 30s, so some good news there. Having said that, still some light accumulations look to be a pretty good bet. Otherwise, your 7-day forecast turns cold again for Wednesday with that cold air around, a couple of flurries in the air. And as you can see, the next 7 days, it's going to stay chilly, guys. Temperatures at or below normal there, but there are signs next week. We have to wait a while. Next week, a big warm-up could be headed over.
Like that.
Nice.
So
finally, that snow would get out of here, maybe.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Thanks, Shane.
Well, the U of L women's basketball team hasn't